Here I have ZTE Blade V10 Vita, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you have this button, record screen. By tapping on it you can summon this screen recording menu. You can drag it through your screen like this. Also, by holding your finger on this button you can access some of its settings, like you can select the video quality, and you can select you can enable record touch interactions. You can switch off your microphone here, and you can start recording by tapping on this red button, and recording started. Let's record some of our screen. You can also pause your recording by tapping here. Then you can play it again, and you can stop your recording by tapping on this square button, and recording will be saved to your gallery, and you can find it here at the screenshots section. And from here you can share, edit or delete your recording. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.